Welcome to Crypto Guru Pro. Today we're diving into the best crypto exchanges for traders in the USA. With regulatory clarity improving and crypto adoption growing, choosing the right exchange is essential. Let's explore the top 5 platforms that stand out in the US market. 1. BingX, the best for copy trading. BingX has become a go-to exchange for beginners and advanced traders due to its copy trading feature, allowing users to follow expert strategies. It also offers spot and derivatives trading, making it a great all-rounder. Advantages: copy trading, ideal for beginners learning from experienced traders. Low trading fees, cost-effective for frequent traders. User-friendly interface, smooth experience on web and mobile. Disadvantages: limited fiat support, requires third-party services for fiat deposits. 2. Bybit, the powerhouse for derivatives. Trading Bybit is a top-tier derivatives exchange known for high liquidity, advanced trading tools, and strong security. It's a favorite among traders looking for leveraged trading opportunities. Advantages: high liquidity ensures smooth trade execution with minimal slippage. Advanced trading tools supports margin, futures, and perpetual contracts. Security-focused implements industry-leading security measures. Disadvantages: complex for beginners, best suited for experienced traders. Fiat onboarding can be tricky, requires third-party services for direct fiat deposits. 3. KuCoin, the people's exchange. KuCoin is popular for its vast selection of altcoins and versatile trading options, including spot, margin, and futures trading. It's a top pick for traders looking to explore new crypto projects. Advantages: extensive crypto selection, supports a broad range of altcoins, competitive trading fees, discounts available for KCS token holders. Diverse trading options, offers spot, margin, and futures trading. Disadvantages: security concerns. Users must enable two-factor authentication. Regulatory compliance, users should verify services in the US. 4. MEXC, the best for altcoins. MEXC is known for its impressive selection of altcoins and low trading fees, making it an excellent choice for those who want to trade emerging cryptocurrencies. Advantages: massive altcoin selection, great for discovering new projects, low fees, attractive for high-volume traders, beginner-friendly, easy to navigate for new users. Disadvantages: limited fiat trading options, requires third-party services for deposits. 5. Binance US. The regulated giant Binance US is the American arm of Binance, offering a robust selection of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features within US regulatory frameworks. Advantages: high liquidity, ensures seamless trade execution. Regulatory compliance, operates under US laws. Low fees, discounts available for BNB token users. Disadvantages: limited features. Compared to global Binance, some services are restricted. State restrictions, not available in all US states. Final thoughts and call to action. The US crypto market is evolving, and choosing the right exchange is key to success. Whether you prefer BingX's copy trading, Bybit's advanced tools, or Binance.US's regulatory compliance, there's a perfect exchange for every trader. Ready to trade? Sign up using the links below and claim exclusive bonuses. Let us know in the comments which exchange you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto insights from Crypto Guru Pro. Thanks for watching.